Hi, my name is Brenda and I'm an accounting instructor here at CVTC. I want to take a moment and talk about life insurance, specifically term life versus whole life. So term insurance is your simple basic insurance for in case something happens to you. It gives money to your people who are left behind, a spouse, kids, whatever, to help them get by without your income. It's your income you're trying to help replace. What some people don't like about term is they say every year after they write that bill, they go, shucks, I didn't get anything back. What I'd like to remind you is that that's like saying with your auto insurance, shucks, I didn't get in a car accident so that I could get money from my auto insurance company. This is very similar. You're going, shucks, I didn't die so I didn't get any money back from my life insurance company. You're thinking about insurance in a complicated way because people have sold this idea of whole life. And whole life usually has some kind of a savings element. And that's what they try to sell you on, is that you're going to get something back. Well, there's a couple of problems with whole life. For one, the insurance is at least 12 times more expensive. So not a good deal. Term is much, much cheaper. The second problem, and this is really the biggest problem, term insurance, if you have a $100,000 life insurance policy and unfortunately something happens to you and you die, your spouse, kids, they get $100,000. With whole life insurance, if you have a $100,000 policy and on the side, remember the savings element, maybe you have a $20,000 savings account, many people think if they die, their people will get the 100 and the 20. The life insurance company keeps your 20. So you spent extra money on an insurance policy so that you could build up savings on the side because they told you this was a great way to save. What they didn't tell you is that they keep this money when you die. What they will tell you though is if you want to, you can borrow this money. So if you borrowed it and brought this down to zero and then you die, guess what your people get? They'll only get 80. The insurance company will keep your 20 one way or the other. And that's the problem with whole life insurance, and that's why term life insurance is the way to go. It's cheaper and it's all your money. So if you want to learn more about our accounting program, head to our website at cvtc.edu. Thank you.